The BDB Action Plan Tool. A focused planning system built specifically for international schools. It helps leadership teams define planning cycles, set goals, and track measurable progress against objectives without the cost or complexity of a full ERP system. Open the tool and you land in the Workspace shell. Plan tree on the left for navigation, a detail panel on the right for the work. Built for school leadership, principals, heads of school, academic coordinators, and IT administrators. Signing in is 2 steps. The user types their email, picks their school workspace, then enters their password. Authentication is token-based, with role-based access control enforced on the server. The first screen ahead of school lands on is the School Improvement Plan. The 5-year strategic view, every plan, every year, with completion percentages rolled up automatically. Click any cell to drill straight into that goal. Toggle to the annual view and the same data is sliced to the current academic year. Useful for end-of-year reviews and parent-facing reports. Both views read from the same underlying plans, so update once, see everywhere. Inside a plan, every node lives in a 5-level tree. Plan, frequency, goal, objective, and sub-objective. The structure adapts to how much detail your school actually needs. You don't have to use all 5 levels. Many schools stop at goal and objective. The tree on the left is fully navigable. Drill in, drill out, expand, and collapse. Wherever you click, the detail panel follows. Creating a plan opens a wizard. Name it. Choose a measure mode on the plan itself, on each goal, or on each objective. Pick a frequency, set start and end dates. Mode is permanent for the plan's lifetime, so choose carefully. Measures are how progress actually gets tracked. Each measure has a type, numeric, text, date, drop-down, a name, and a column width. A minimum of 5 measures per goal, with column widths summing between 95 and 99%. Add a goal under a frequency, then an objective under that. Coordinators read these descriptions every period, so write them well. Be careful when removing nodes, deleting a node cascades, and there is no undo. Most actions live on a right-click menu, and the menu adapts to the level you click. Different options on a frequency duration, on a goal, on an objective. This is how everything gets added, edited, and removed. At year-end, right-click a frequency duration and select Copy Plan. Structure, measures, and components carry forward to the next academic year. Progress values reset to 0, you start fresh, but the shape of the plan is preserved. This is where coordinators spend most of their time, the tracking grid. 1 value per measure per frequency period. Click, type, blur, save. The moment we save, the completion percentage rolls up from sub-objective to plan. The plan dashboard reflects every change in real time. KPI cards, gauges, a per frequency stacked bar that redraws live. No reports to refresh, no overnight jobs. What you see is the database right now. Drill into any goal and the goal details panel breaks progress down by objective. Below the headline number, every measure is visible, fully governed. On screen always matches on disk. Administrator setup is a one-time job. The master frequency screen is where you define your intervals, yearly, termly, monthly, each with a short key and a longer display value. Once a plan uses an interval, the interval cannot be deleted. Plan access rights, per user, per plan permissions. 2 roles, deliberately simple. The administrator configures the platform and manages access. The user runs plans within it. Add a user by email, pick a permission level, save. Revoking takes effect immediately. Want quick answers without clicking through screens? The data agent reads the live database. Ask in plain English, which goals are at risk this term? And the agent returns a ranked chart, an actionable insight, and the SQL it generated underneath. Follow up with another question. Show me the top 3 plans by progress, and the agent answers from the same session, with memory of what you asked before. No dashboards to build. No reports to schedule. Just ask. That's the BDB Action Plan tool. Self-hosted on your infrastructure. One-time license, no per student fees, no annual hostage. Talk to Shovik Bose at shovik.bose@bdb.ai.